250 lumens, high. Runs 3.5 hours, low, includes USB cord and lanyard. Beam distance, 68 meters max candela, 1150. Battery type. Lithium ion cell pack, battery quantity, 1. Length, 3.87 inches, weight, 1.20 ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Look what model works best for you. This is a great flashlight. Double-click for low on Coyote color model and double-click for high on black model. The black model starts on low and then you have to double-click to get high. The Coyote one comes on high and then you have to double-click to get low, so make sure you get the one that you want. Both of them are great lights.